Good morning everybody, this is Victor here at CryptoTrendline.com, and it's time again for that daily overview of the cryptocurrency market. Starting as always with coin market cap. As you can see, they're celebrating an anniversary, so they've changed the logo and the design of their website a bit. Looking at the crypto market capitalization, currently overall market cap is 227 billion. This is good again because we're above that 400 psychological mark, so this is good. Again today a bit of a green day. After yesterday and the day before we had a bit of red days, things were going down a bit, but nothing too bad. So currently looking at the coins in terms of movements, EOS continuing its march up again today. It's almost 11% up. So nice project, nice coin. Obviously the price is going up. VeChain's also up a bit, but nothing huge, as you can see, nothing major. Everything's pretty much stable at the moment. Going forward to the news, as you know, we do have two Telegram channels. One's for news, so join that one so you can always stay on top of the latest crypto news. We'll always post all the news in there as soon as we get them, and we tend to be amongst the first 3 or 4 companies to release news related to crypto, so stay on top of all the news, because you know it's very vital to get the information as fast as you can when it comes to cryptocurrencies. So that's one of the channels, and the other channel that we do have, it's already paid. It's the signals channel, where we release signals about certain coin price movements and ICO research. It's a very moderate tax. The subscription is very low, and you also would just have to play out like 2 signals tops in order to pay for the subscription and then get on top. You can even pay out with just 1 signal depending on the amount of your investment. So we released a signal the day before. It was about ION. That was the last free signal. We're currently monitoring the movement, and we'll look at the chart for ION at the end of this video. As you know, we always look at charts, so stay tuned for that. And just going through the news real quick, Vitalik released a partial proof of concept for Ethereum's Sharding tech. This is very good because it'll help out Ethereum a lot when it comes to speed and taxes. So obviously Ethereum looking strong, and it's going to get better, which is nice because, as you can appreciate, a lot of ICOs are coming up, because now that the market's stable, the ICOs will boom again. So this is good, and they need a stable platform to run the ICOs on. So pretty much Ethereum is going to be it, I guess. This is a very important improvement, and it comes in the perfect time. And another news related to Ethereum, SEC and CFTC are examining whether Ethereum should be regulated as a security, which this is really important, guys. It's going to happen on the 7th of May, which is next week. It will play a major part in the entire crypto community, because it's very important if they decide they will regulate it as the same as stocks, or if they regulate it as a commodity or security. So really expecting to see how this will play out, because it will play a major part. If everything goes smoothly and everything goes fine, definitely we will see a bull market after the decision, and what they will announce and how will they treat Ethereum. So SEC and CFTC examining Ethereum. Fingers crossed everything's going to be okay. Next news, it's about UK. Crypto in the UK, there's an association in there that have contacted several members of the parliament, and they want the parliament to regulate cryptocurrency, but definitely nothing too bad. They want to do like favorable regulation. So again, as we're always saying, regulations are not bad if they're moderate and if they're in favor of crypto. This is good because it'll help people to stay away from scam. People will feel more secure, more funds will put into the industry. So this is very nice. And again, good news, no bad news lately, no FUD, so everything's going stable at the moment. Moving towards the charts for today. First one, of course, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's kind of like trading sideways for the past couple of days. As you can see, what we've put here, major resistance 9,500 as always. The closest support is about 9,100, 9,200. These are the support levels. So what we expect Bitcoin to do is just test this resistance at 9,500, probably pull back to the support, and then continue upwards from there. Or if we push through now the 9,500, probably the next resistance will be just under 10k. We'll probably get rejected from there, use 9,500 as support, and then push towards to the next major resistance, which is about 11,200, 11,300 in this mark. So that's what we expect for Bitcoin to do. Of course, if we go down the hill, next support 7,800, and two more supports at 7,200 and at 6,600. Hopefully we'll never get to see this one, but then again, you never know. Moving onwards to Ethereum, pretty much the same picture, same situation, $700 major resistance. We really need to push through this one, then use it as support and bounce towards 880. But again, it will be very important what happens next week on that looking into Ethereum and deciding if it'll be commodity, security, or whatever they would decide. The other scenario, Ethereum going down, finding support at 590, bouncing from there to test the resistance at 700 again, or falling further down to $510 and then bouncing from that support level. These are the key support levels at the moment, but it's really important for us to break over this major resistance at 700. And last but not least, we have ION. This is the chart of ION. We released the signal a couple of days ago. As I said, we had a bit of a pullback, but it never hit the stop loss target that we said. We put the level of 406 satoshis, 4,061 satoshis for you to put as a stop loss. So we never managed to go under this level, so this is good, and we would expect things to go up from here. The major resistance we're looking at is 4,500 satoshis. If we push through this, definitely next resistance is 508 or 509, and 508 is our target. So hopefully few days, pretty much by the end of this week, we hope we're supposed to hit the target, but then again, you never know, because the price can do a variety of things. You can try it sideways a bit, but eventually it'll hit the target. So things are looking good. After the drop, plenty of our customers contacted us asking if they should get out of the deal. Don't never ever do that unless you contact us or we advise it in our channel. So the best way to contact us, apart from the form on our website, www.cryptotrendline.com, all our contact information is in the description of this video. We have Facebook and we have Twitter and we have LinkedIn and TradingView, and so just give us a shout if you have a question. We'll be more than happy to answer it. But don't do things that you haven't consulted with us about, because usually this will play out to your disadvantage. We'll always set the stop loss levels and we'll always set the profit taking levels, so we minimize the risk of you losing your capital. So stay tuned, join the channels, and I believe this is pretty much it for today. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to enjoy life, and I will see you tomorrow. Cheers and bye bye.